Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the day-end market roundup for the Colombo Stock Exchange, brought to you by Sinfin Securities. As of July 17, 2025, the All-Share Price Index, ASPI, closed at 18,876.85, recording a slight drop of 8.11 points, or 0.04%, reflecting a broadly flat market performance. Meanwhile, the S&P SL20 index declined more noticeably, ending the day at 5,628.93, down by 39.19 points, or 0.69%, as selling pressure mounted in key blue-chip counters. Let's now take a look at key market highlights for the day. The total market capitalization stood at 6,687.69 billion rupees, reflecting the overall value of listed companies on the Colombo Stock Exchange. The total market turnover for the day was 6.21 billion rupees, indicating moderate trading activity. Total crossings amounted to 1.13 billion rupees, with the highest crossings recorded in Hatton National Bank plc and CIC Holdings. Domestic investors dominated the market today, accounting for 6,035.16 million rupees in total purchases, which represents approximately 97% of overall buying activity. Foreign investors contributed the remaining 3%, with purchases amounting to 170.62 million rupees. On the sales side, domestic investors recorded 5,920.05 million rupees, making up 95% of total market sales, while foreign sales were relatively modest at 285.78 million rupees, representing just 5%. Let's now take a look at the top gainers of the day. Leading the list is Jetwing Symphony, which posted strong gains on the back of positive investor sentiment. In second place, Royal Palms Beach Hotels recorded notable upward movement, reflecting renewed interest in the hotel sector. Sigiriya Village Hotels also saw price gains, continuing its recent momentum. Rounding off the list are Tangerine Beach Hotels and Browns Beach Hotels, both benefiting from improved trading activity. Now let's look at the top losers of the day. Leading the list is SMB Finance, which saw a noticeable price drop during today's trading. TES Agro, non-voting, followed, reflecting weaker investor sentiment. EML Consultants also recorded losses, adding downward pressure to the overall market. Ceylon Printers was among the day's underperformers, closing in negative territory. Finally, Convenience Foods Lanka rounded off the list of top losers with a decline in its share price. Now let's take a look at the top positive contributors to the ASPI for the day. Access Engineering provided a significant uplift to the index, driven by strong investor sentiment within the capital goods sector. CT Holdings followed with a solid contribution, reflecting continued confidence in the food and staples retailing sector. Carson Cumberbatch also emerged as a key positive mover, supported by healthy trading volumes in the food, beverage and tobacco sector. Jetwing Symphony added further stability to the index, amid renewed buying interest in consumer services stocks. Rounding out the top contributors, Aitken Spence Hotel Holdings also played a supportive role in today's index gains. Finally, let's take a look at the top negative contributors to the All-Share Price Index for the day. John Keells Holdings was a key drag on the index, reflecting cautious sentiment within the capital goods sector. Commercial Bank of Ceylon also contributed to the downward movement, as investor activity remained subdued in the banking space. Mousedecorp added further pressure, with its share price decline influencing overall market direction. Meanwhile, Sampath Bank and National Development Bank closed in negative territory, rounding off the list of major stocks that weighed on the index. Collectively, these movements contributed to the softer close witnessed in the broader market today. Thank you.